Hi guys, welcome to the channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. I really do appreciate it so very much. Welcome, my name is Aiden. I am so happy that you are here. If you can hear my fan, it is because I am in a sunroom and there's no air conditioning down in this room, so I really need that fan on. But if it is too much, let me know and I won't have it on during future videos, so just let me know. Anyway, today is my Ipsy and my Macy's because I finally got both of them. Ipsy always takes much longer than Macy's to come in, so I do have my Ipsy here, and then I have my Macy's. It's all wrapped up, so I'm really excited to see what I got. First up, though, from Macy's is this little pouch, and in this pouch, I think there's a sleep mask. Yes, I am very excited about that. I love sleep masks. I use them all the time, and yes, so that is something I will actually use, and I like that it comes with its own little travel case, because that's kind of nice. I never know what to do with them when I'm traveling. Like, I try to stick them in a separate pocket away from the rest of my clothes, I guess. I don't know. Just someplace where it's a little protected, so I like the little satin bag with it. I should also say, don't forget to like and subscribe if you haven't done so already. And please leave me a comment. Do you get Macy's? What did you get in your Ipsy? Let me know down below. And then with Macy's, you always get a $5 off coupon off of 25 or 20, I guess. Not that exciting. I like the 10 off of 40 because there's not much that's only $20 at Macy's. Let's open this guy. The first thing I'm pulling out is something from SK2. Ooh, this is a facial treatment mask. This is going to be very expensive, and wow, leave on for 5 to 15 minutes. I will definitely use that. I'm excited about that. I like SK2, but it is so expensive, like ridiculously expensive most of the time. Then we have Good Girl by Carolina Herrera. This is just the original. I do have this one already, and I will be passing this one along because I have several of it because all of the limited edition shoes are all the same. Same scent. Then we have Bumble and Bumble BB Hairdresser's Invisible Oil Mask. Okay, leave on for 3 to 5 minutes. I probably will pass this along too, just because I don't like standing in the shower with conditioner on for a long time or a mask, so I just usually pass those along. Then we have It Confidence in a Gel Cream. This is an oil control version. I have never tried this, but I am excited to try this because I do really like It Cosmetics. Their Confidence in a Cream is one of my favorite moisturizers. Then we have the Lancome Absolute Cream Fondant or Fondant, soft cream moisturizer anyway. That's another one that I definitely will use. So we're doing okay so far. A Strivectin SD Advanced Intense Moisturizer for wrinkles and stretch marks. It's fine. I don't know if it really helps that much, but I will eventually use it. And then my last thing is a Kopari Golden Aura Body Oil with 24 karat gold and hyaluronic acid. I don't really use body oils. I will use them on my neck and chest as like an extra moisture, but that is not something I'm going to put on my neck and chest. I mean, I guess I could, but yeah. Weird assortment, I feel like, this month. I'll keep this for now and see how it does, but it's kind of an interesting assortment. Moving on to Ipsy. Yes, this is a nice bag. It's like their typical fabric, I guess. They've had lots of them like this. I like the berries and the flowers on it. I think it's pretty. It feels a little dark for June. Like, it feels like more of a, I don't know, like a March or something. And we have the Secret Garden, and they do give me prices, so let's dig in and see what's in here. I'm going to save the big thing for last. All right, Dallas and James. This is the Watermelon Dream Cloud Cream. I did choose this. This was my choice item. This retails for $48 for a full size. The next thing is this. This is the Seraphine Botanicals Diamantine Beaming Highlighter. I have so many highlighters. I am trying to go through my highlighters, my blushes, my bronzers. So every time you see me, you're probably going to see a different bronzer, blush, and highlighter because I'm just testing each one out. Same with lip color, and like I'm just going through everything, trying to see if I like it or not. So this is in the shade Oyster. Oh, that is very pretty. Okay, I think I will keep it. Not that I need any more highlighters, but yeah, that's a pretty shade. You can see it kind of gleaming. It blends in pretty well. Shoot, you got me, Ipsy. I wasn't going to do any more highlighters unless there's something like fabulous or something. Then we have the Ciate London Everyday Vacay. This is a primer. Okay. Oh, the highlighter retails for $29 for full size, and this one retails a full size for $28. I mean, eventually I will use that primer. I'm trying to work through my primers as we speak as well. Then we have something from Vintage by Jessica Liebenstein. I thought she was out of business. I have not seen anything from them for a long time. I have some blushes and highlighters from them, I think. But yeah, this is lip gloss in the shade Blush. It retails for $13. I have so many lip glosses. I'm going to pass this one along. It's a very pretty color. I like the color a lot. I need to not open any more lip glosses because they will go bad. So I'm going to let one of my friends have that one. The full size retails for $13. Oh, so that's not bad. That's a pretty good price. But where do you even buy it? So this is a half size. This is a 4 ml. The full size is a 2 ml. Strike that, reverse it. There we go. We have Nicole Miller, L'Or de la Vie. Okay. Don't know anything about this. This retails a full size for $90. Let's see. It's exotic fruits, vanilla, sweet florals. Okay. Oh, red berries, guava, jasmine, vanilla, and musk amber. It does feel full. Sometimes I've gotten these from Ipsy and they have not been full, but this one feels full. There's something in there. Oh, 50% off. Wow. Okay. It's a little... It's kind of sickly sweet a little bit. Almost like cough medicine. It's not my favorite, that is for sure. But if you want, it says exclusive to recipient only, but 50% off NMS 50 at checkout. So, I mean, that's nice. Yeah, I'm not a fan of this. You would think this would be something that I would like, but it is not. It is not something that I am really enjoying. So I might pass that one along as well. Let's recap though. So in Macy's, we got the sleep mask. Did I show this enough? I don't know. So we do have the nice little sleep mask. I am very excited about having that. So that's a definite bonus. And for once, I'm not upset that they substituted something else instead of the bag, because this is something I will use. We had the Good Girl perfume. This one is so old. I wish they would have sent us something newer. There's so many new fragrances. Then there is the hair mask, which normally would be fine, but I'm not a big fan. So 2 that I'm decluttering or passing along, I should say. The SK2 mask. This is another one I'm very excited about. I'm excited about the IT Cosmetics moisturizer, the oil control one, because I really like their other moisturizers. The Lancome Absolute is a nice moisturizer, so I will take that. The Strivectin, not the biggest fan of this one. A little disappointed in that, but whatever. I know it's kind of a cult following. And then we have the body oil. So 2 that I'm not really excited about, 2 that I'm passing along, and 4 that I'm keeping. That's more than usual. Okay, well, I'm going to probably call Macy's as the winner this month. Then we have, for Ipsy, we have the pretty bag. I do like the bag. I think they did a nice job on the bag. It's kind of old school Ipsy. We have the primer, which I will use. We have the moisturizer, which I will use. It's watermelon, so that's why I ended up picking it. There was not a lot of things. I feel like next month I wasn't really excited about my choice either. Do I remember what I chose? No, I don't. The perfume I'm disappointed in. It is not one that I am a fan of. The highlighter is nice. It's okay. The lip gloss is nice. It's okay. But like I said, I have so many lip glosses. I need to try to use up what I have, and unless it's something that I'm really dying to try, which I'm not. I am curious, but I'm also like trying to be practical here. So I'm going to pass along 2 from Ipsy, which I'm really surprised with that perfume. I'm really surprised. And then I am going to keep 3. So yeah, Macy's definitely aced it out this month. Okay, so let me know what you got. Let me know what you think of what I got. If you agree with my thoughts on this month's boxes, bags, let me know down below. I hope you're all having a fantastic day. Thank you so much for stopping by, and I can't wait to talk to you next time. Bye.